Hey y'all, I'm Carolina Tony. Today the road brings us to Blenheim, South Carolina. And yes, I am enjoying a good Blenheim ginger ale. First made right here in Blenheim. But we're here for more than just ginger ale. We're here today for the country style cookout. We've been here before. I think this is our third year. It's a major barbecue competition. It actually started by a family reunion, believe it or not. Today we're going to meet the founder of this, Fennell, and we're going to talk to some of the pit masters and also taste some of the barbecue. And hey, we'll get started right after this station identification. Just checked in and got our wristband. And we're gonna go in and check out some wings and some ribs. Well, this is the man with the plan. It's the man that started the whole thing.
I don't know if we got a plan.
Was your mama that started the whole thing? The family reunion. We had to go way back.
Family reunion, Tony. Listen, man. Sometimes you just kind of put stuff together, and it'll take care of itself.
It does.
All we try to do is hold on to it and organize it, and make it fun for everybody to come and enjoy it. And it grows every year.
Right. You know, this is my third year. And I look forward to it, and it's like the state fair. It gets bigger and better every year.
Yeah, it does. Look at all these people.
Yeah.
And this is what I love about it.
Yeah.
They're from just about any state you can imagine. Just walk in the yards today. I'm talking to people from Virginia, California, Arizona, Illinois, Mississippi, Louisiana, Florida. That's just casually walking around.
Oh, I know. I talked to somebody from Barstow, California a while ago.
Wow. See?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what about the food, though? Have you eaten?
I have a little bit.
Yeah.
Man, food's what brings people together.
50 grill masters out here from all over.
I'm glad I'm not a judge.
I am too. And let me tell you something. You just can't keep up with all this good food.
No.
You just got to get what you can and taste it and keep moving.
That's right.
That's all you do, man.
Art is good talking to you.
I'm glad you're here, man. And thank you guys, man, for being there. We appreciate you. It's all about country style.
Yeah.
On this day in the yard in Blenheim, South Carolina, country style.
What is our favorite, our catchphrase? Trizzle.
Trizzle-late. Oh, man, you know I'm too tired to trizzle-late doing it. You weren't supposed to do all of that. You weren't supposed to do all of that.
We are. This guy here is pretty famous. There is a lizard man himself. What in the world has he got on this grill? Man, you just stepped your game up.
Yeah.
What you got there?
This is just some peppers and ground beef.
Uh-huh.
What I do is this is how I make my loaded sausage dough.
Ah.
Yeah.
This is the Rib King. And look at these huge drumsticks.
Turkey leg.
A huge turkey leg.
You ain't fed till you had a real king turkey.
And where are you from, Rib King?
Dillon, South Carolina. I'm 20 minutes down the road.
Yeah?
I got blessed with an event like this close.
I'm telling you. Let's walk over here. Let's look at this meat. Now,
Look at the meat.
yeah, that's a meat now. Now, where are y'all from?
Philadelphia.
Philadelphia.
Let's barbecue.
Luck's Barbecue in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. And you come all the way here to show us how to cook some meat.
Our third time.
All right, this is my third time here too.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. All right, this is competition barbecue here. It looks a little different.
Yep. Here's the brisket.
Yeah.
Get it out of here.
Look at that bad boy there. All right, it looks good.
Thank you, sir.
I hope you win.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate that.
All right, because you come a long way.
Yeah, we here having fun.
You don't need to go away penniless.
Right.
Now, who are y'all?
A&J Catering from Mobile, Alabama.
Mobile. All right.
Sir.
No.
Those are the little knuckles, the real knuckles off the end of the rib. And then we got some wings over here.
Okay.
And some more like St. Louis style ribs.
All right.
Yeah.
I believe we've seen these guys before. All right, this is. Hey.
How you doing?
Doing good, man.
Fine. I'm finally getting to meet you.
Good to see you.
Yes, sir.
Good to see you. What y'all got going on over here?
We got brisket, we got turkey legs, we got ribs, we got ribeye steak, we got pickle legs, we got moonshine.
Man. So now y'all competing?
Yes, sir.
All
Out
right.
in Mac Attack.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Watch this here.
How we doing, brother?
Doing good.
All right.
That's how it's made right there.
Yes, sir. We're on that Black Warrior smoke.
Yeah. Low and slow. Food by AJ. They're over here. Look at this cooker here. Hey man. Good to see. Good to see y'all. What y'all got going on?
Frying a little fish. Of course, we're cooking everything in the competition.
Yeah.
So we got salmon cheesesteak egg rolls.
Yeah.
We got cheesesteak egg rolls. We got turkey barbecue. We got fried fish platters. We got fish sandwiches.
Man.
Yeah. We ain't got it. You don't need it.
Let's give Big Wally's a shout out here. Best rib I've eaten all day. It's the only one. Breeze that everything's down. This is what I'm impressed with. Look at this smoker.
I live in Atlanta.
Atlanta, okay.
T Nasty, I'm the one that cook for Jism every year.
Okay.
That's me.
Carolina Tony.
Yes, sir.
Good to talk to you. You got meat in there?
Oh, yeah. Just about to come. I'm about to pull it off in a second.
Yeah. All right,
Low
look.
and slow, baby.
Look at that.
Low and slow. I know you. I seen some of your videos.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. How you
This is my
been?
third year here.
Yes, sir.
What's going on?
What's going on?
Good to see you.
Good to see you again. How you doing?
All right, y'all got some competition stuff going on?
We do.
Are
We're
you?
doing ribs, brisket, and wings.
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir. Where your last adventure take you to?
Do what?
Where'd your last adventure take you to?
We just got back from a 4,200 mile trip out west. What's going on there?
Hey, you remember last year?
Yeah.
Still got them going.
All right.
Oyster.
All right. Now that's something you don't see. That's something you don't see at every barbecue, huh? Huh? Oysters.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna try this out right here. Yeah.
Got the chicken you had last year. Now we got the ribs.
Man, that's a good rib. Y'all gonna be serious. Good tender. You gotta eat it fast, man. How you say this name?
Huh?
How do you say?
Kuzan.
Kuzan barbecue team.
Yeah.
And y'all from?
New Orleans.
All right. And you see, that explains everything. That's why we got them oysters over there.
Yep.
That's that peach apple sauce.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Thank you. So tell me something. Y'all from New Orleans.
Yes, sir.
You know, I went all the way there just to eat oysters.
I know.
I did.
I think you like it a little bit.
I like oysters.
Yes.
It's Fuller Flavor Barbecue. They are from Bear Creek, North Carolina.
Hey, how are you?
All right, where in the world is Bear Creek, North Carolina?
Back in the woods.
All right.
Yes. We're close to Sanford.
Okay.
Not far from Sanford.
Okay.
Chapel Hill.
Yeah. So y'all competing?
We are again. We won it in 2023, so.
Oh, you never know, man. Lightning strikes twice in the same place sometimes.
Right.
Another one we're gonna test out. This here is G Mama's Kitchen. Okay, G Mama's Kitchen. It's a kind of a meaty looking rib here.
Back up a little bit.
You see it, but you can't taste it. So you have to take my word for it. It is very good. Hey, how you? Doing good, man. What he's doing over here, he's preparing these ribs. I think I see a little bit of butter in there, maybe a little bit of brown sugar. Could be 11 herbs and spices. He
13 or 14.
14 herbs and spices, yeah. They tell me what it was, but they'd have to kill me. We have some more folks here from Louisiana. This is Southern and Cajun Pots on the spot. I got me a rib there. Look, one with a handle on it. Look at this rib. I can't hold it. We're gonna have to let that baby go down. All right, I just tested your ribs. So you guys are from Louisiana?
Yes, sir. Marrero, Louisiana.
All right. How you say that?
Marrero.
Marrero.
Marrero, Louisiana.
All right. Now, whereabouts that located?
It's the West Bank of New Orleans.
Okay. Yeah, I've been to New Orleans just to eat oysters.
That's all?
That's what I went there for.
Oh, man.
Went there to eat oysters.
You got to look me up when you're down there.
We're going to have, next time I go down there, we have to do that.
Hey, I do oysters, I do it all. I got the best smoked turkey wing you ever eat in your life.
Really?
You a turkey man?
I like ribs, man. Demer's ribs was good. These competitors here, this is Smoky Red's Barbecue, and you can see from these trophies, they have been champions, and they are champions. Looks like we're going to get some brisket here.
There we go. They're falling apart.
There you go.
All right.
We need no sauce.
No sauce.
No sauce.
It's good that way.
Thank you. Talk to me. So how you feel about today?
Oh man, I ain't gonna lie.
This brisket looks good.
Really, I hope you enjoy it.
It looks
I
good.
hope you enjoy it. I'm a little bit behind today. I'm not gonna lie, but Smokey is cooking.
Yeah.
So Red gonna keep on doing the best he can to hang in there.
It's gonna be all good.
Hopefully so. We should have some ribs coming up shortly. So
We'll see when the smoke clears. We'll see how it goes.
There you go.
I think this is the judges. That's serious cooker. Look at the smokestacks coming out of this cooker here. Man, that's first chicken for today. AJ's. And where's AJ from?
AJ's from Raleigh area. Hot, fresh off the oven.
Hot.
It just come out the fire, Tony.
Like it?
Good.
You gonna do a food dance for us?
Look this here way and smile. Look at that. All right. Well, we come back over here. What those are oysters. Those things boiling down there, and they're awful hot. These guys from New Orleans. We are meandering down through here. We've been talking to some of the competitors, just kind of looking at, watching the people, sampling some of the food. Really good. We got something going on here. This is different. Them look like chicken wings. Huh? What's in the pot? Corn. So, are you Art's niece?
Yes.
So you're Muffin.
Yes. We had this conversation last year.
We did.
Remember?
Yeah,
Yes.
we did.
Yes. How are you?
Doing good. Good to see you.
Yes.
I got a Trizzle Lake
Yes, I do.
t-shirt.
Yes.
That's a big word here.
It is a big word, yes. But so is this. This is a big word. This is big too. This right.
Thicker
Cold grits.
than cold grits.
Yes.
Well, that's going to be a wrap for our trip to the country style cook-off in Blenheim, South Carolina. I love coming here. Some great food, some great people. It's nice meeting some of my subscribers. It was fantastic meeting some of the chefs. And hey, I want to give a shout out to my friend Eddie at Couzon's barbecue team from Marrero, Louisiana. He hooked me up with some of their barbecue sauce. I can't wait to give it a try. I really appreciate it. Also appreciate all you watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give us a big old thumbs up. Be sure to share this video with your family and friends, and if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. And if you're ever in Marrero, Louisiana, be sure to check out Couzon's barbecue and check out some of their sauce. But for now, and as always, y'all have a good day.